Good morning, girl. I am Shravani and I am from Andhra Pradesh. Today I would like to explain about constructors. So, so first of all, what is constructor? What is the use of constructor and how we use in Java programming? So first of all, what is constructor? Constructor is a block of code similar like a method, but accept two things. It has same name as class name and it has no return types. So this is the about constructors and how we use constructors in Java for initializing an object. And for uses of constructor, there is one syntax in Java programming. The syntax is, so first of all we write a one class and I will take a class name as one, and here I create one constructor public, and a constructor must have name as same as class name. So here class name is 1, so constructor name is also 1, and here we write some block of code. So this is the syntax for constructor, and in this constructor there are two types. One is default constructor and another one is parameterized constructor. First one is default constructor. What is the meaning of default constructor? If the constructor have no return, no parameters, then it's called parameterized constructor. For example, in this syntax, I will write some code. I will pass a message system.out.println. This is constructor, and here I will write main class. Hello, and I have a public static void main. This is my main class. In this I create an object for constructor. So here I am not have any parameters and I am not have any, pass any values. So this is called default constructor. Whereas the other one is parameterized constructor. Same like parameterized constructor which is having some specific number of parameters, then it's called parameterized constructor. For example, if I take a variable, if I take a parameter like int a and I pass here value 10. So 10 when JVM enters this main class, it will throw the value of 10 to this a. So here a is equal to 10. If I print this a, it will gives us output as 10. So this here it has a specific number of parameters. Here have a parameter int a. So this is called parameterized constructor. So, what is constructor overloading? It is the technique of more than one constructor having different parameters. They are arranged in a way that each constructor performs different tasks, and they are differentiated by the JVM depending on the number of parameter lists and their types. So, in this constructor overloading, there are three types. So, first one is number, and the second one is data type, and third one is sequence. So these three I will explain with an example. So first one is number. Class name I will give one, and here I will declare some variables. So int a and int b, and here and I think constructor I will create one constructor. And in this I assign this value and then print this value. And here I create one other constructor. And I am print here by using some shortcuts. So here I am write main class. Class name is hello. Okay, I create an object the class. Here if I pass a value 10, I pass only one value. So JVM will go to the first constructor and run this code, and it will give as output 10. Okay. If I give two values, 10 and 20, JVM will give to these values to this constructor and will run second constructor. This block of code, and it will gives output like 10 and 20. So JVM will decide to here depending on this number of values. If I pass one value, then it will call first constructor. If I pass two values, then it will call second constructor. So this is number constructor boundary. And the next one is data type. Here see, if I take one int value and one char value, and another one is float value, like this. If I write int p value and char value, if I pass, okay. And in second constructor, I will pass three values. I char, j, and float. Some value 1. Okay. Okay. So if I pass k value, if I pass like this, the JVM will pass will run the first constructor. So here 20 will assign to D and F will assign to E, and print like 20 and F. If I pass three values, one is int and one is char and another one is float, like 2.4f, then it will JVM will run this second constructor. Like 20 will assign to int I, and one character will assign to j, and 2.4 float value can assign to this one, and the output will print here like 20 f and 2.4. So depending on the number of parameters and types of parameters, JVM will run the code. It will pass the values to the parameters. Third one, sequence. So here sequence constructor overloading means change the order of parameters. If I take here two values, int I comma char j, and here I am reverse the order of parameters here. Just I am reverse. Here I am take int and char. Here I am take char and int. Some char k and int something. Okay. And here what is the char? This is equal to k and g. Okay. So here I just change the order of data types. If I pass one int value and one char value in order, one 20 and one char value as suppose. So it will pass the values to first constructor and gives us output as 20 as it will give as output. If I give character first and then integer value, then it will pass the values to second constructor. Okay, and it gives us output as 20 and s because I first print a and then b. So it will give us output as 20 and s. This is the types of constructor overloading, and this is the all topic, all the content in constructor.